Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This time I had to do a complete voiceover because my best friend, one of my besties, is here, which is Fran, and so we've just been scrapbooking, so I haven't been really to do my typical way. So this is two parts. What I decided to do is that I'm going to start doing my December daily because I am in it. I love it. I want to get it done. So this is for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. I am using two of her cut files from last year's December daily that she released. And let me tell you, get ready. She has amazing sets coming up for this year. You have got to get them checked out. So make sure that you're linked in the group and all of that. It'll be all linked down below. And then I did come in with the Scrap Squad. Now I had to jump around because I wanted this to match one of the layouts in what I wanted done for my title. This layout is what worked out well. So it's day number 12 with the Scrap Squad, and it was the 12 days of autumn scrap lifts. And you will see how this matches up, and it's in the corner there for you. So I got out the two, I guess kind of the two new, especially the newest one for distressed oxides or through, those. And so I did get out the lumber. I know I have them out. Where did I put them? Okay. So the lumberjack plaid is the red, which is, oh my God, it is a gorgeous red when you start to see me use it. And then I got out the rustic wilderness, which is the green that you're seeing me use. And the collection that I'm using is crepe paper. It's last year's season. This is the first year, and I'm kind of sad that I'm not getting it, but I need to use up what I've got in my stash just so that I can, get in those newer collections. This is last year's crepe papers collection. Busy Sidewalks is what it's called. And I absolutely love it. It matches to the T. So there's two papers and then one paper on the bottom. So instead of me doing all of the paper sections that they wanted, I am using the distressed oxides for some of the layering pieces. So that is what's on the bottom. So my title is going to be Merry Christmas December 2021 because I scrapbook a year behind. So all of what I'm doing here is going to be, and everything in the month of December and probably into January is all of last year's Christmas layouts that I will be doing. I do know that there are going to be, because this is going up close, I know it's before Thanksgiving, but I do know that there is going to be a lot of 12 days of this and 12 days of that. I know that Virginia is doing her 12 days of cut files. And so obviously, or 10 days, I think it's 10 days, 12 days. I don't know what it is. But that's coming up, and that's where I'm going to be doing a lot of my December documented series that I always do every year. So the Marys that I am putting down here, it is hand stitched, and you will see in the close-ups at the end where I did all of the hand stitching. I got that done. And then the December 2021 was also from last year's collection. And that is literally, this is my title. I made this photo. I took this photo where it says welcome home. And I don't mind that I'm covering up the home. I just wanted just my cover sheet to be there. And I tend to not put a photo, but I really liked how this one photo turned out to put on here. So I didn't even back it. I just left it with my black background and called it a day because I really wanted the focus to be the title because this is my title page. So I had to fix this off camera, get it together. And here I am. I'm coming in with my splatters. This red is amazing. If you do not have any distress oxides and you want, and if you're looking at getting any, these would be the two to get because they match your Christmas, and the dimensions and what you can do with them is amazing. I backed and I distressed the edges on here. They go on smoothly with your brushes if you want it that way. You saw that I used the scrapbook ones that are up in the one corner, and then the other corner where the layout is sitting at had the brushes that I used as well. So then I came in, and Close to My Heart had, and this has been a long time ago, I know that they always come out with some type of seasonal Christmas type one. And this is like a year's past, but it's just got the true red and greens. And so I am doing a little bit of a monochromatic setup with this. And I'm just placing the red and the red and the green in the green section and placing them all along. And then that is pretty much all that is. So make sure that you go check out Confessions at a Paper Attic Cut File Shop. I will link the two that are available right now for purchase. And then be on the lookout in the month of December. All of us design teams, and then whoever wanted to be along with her hop will have all of the new ones. And I'm telling you, they're amazing. Also, there will be something coming up for Black Friday. We all know that. Support the small businesses. Support the small businesses. And she is one of them. And I have been on her design team since the beginning. And oh, I just love her. She's amazing. Support her small business throughout the holiday season and all of that fun stuff. And then make sure that you go check out the Scrap Squad as well. They are doing their 12 days of scrap lifts as well. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.